Unit 6. Our Neighbors.
Unit 6, Lesson 4. India. Unity within diversity. Which country has surrounded Bangladesh? Why is the country famous? Click to know more about the country. India is the world's 7th largest country. It has rich cultural heritage of more than 3,000 years. The country stretches from the high mountains of the Himalayas in the north to the tropical greenery of Kerala in the south. The ancient buildings, fascinating religious structures, beautiful cities and diverse language has made India a favorite tourist destination. Describe the pictures.
Read the text in section.
Click on each word. Configuration. The design is based on configuration of some squares, meaning an arrangement of the parts of something or a group of things. Flourish. Runa's flower shop flourished within a year, meaning to develop quickly and be successful. Unification. The unification of Germany took place in 1990, meaning to join people, things, parts of a country, etc. together so that they form a single unit. Disintegration. In 1971, we saw the disintegration of Pakistan, meaning to break into small parts or pieces. Emerge. Bangladesh emerged as an independent country in 1971, meaning appear, come into view. Distinction. Every tribe has their own culture distinction, meaning a clear difference between people or things. Dialect. Different parts of Bangladesh have different dialects, such as Chittagongian dialect, Sylheti dialect, etc. Meaning the form of a language spoken in one area. Read the text again and pick the words from box that go with the events below. Click on each word. Read the text again and pick the.
Hello, I am Arvin, a tourist guide. Now I will tell you about the Taj Mahal.
Listen and fill in the gaps.
The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It is regarded as the finest example of Mughal architecture that combines elements from Persian, Ottoman, Turkish, and Indian architectural styles. It is a white marble mausoleum located at Agra in Uttar Pradesh in India. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his third wife Mumtaz Mahal. The construction of the Taj Mahal started in 1632 and completed in 1653. It took 22 years to complete the whole complex, including minarets, mosque, and gateway. The total cost has been estimated to be about 32 million rupees at that time. In 1983, the Taj Mahal became a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 28 types of precious and semi-precious stones were inlaid into the white marbles. Stones were collected from all over India, China, Afghanistan, Tibet, Sri Lanka, and Arabia.
The Taj Mahal is situated in Agra in Uttar Pradesh in India. Mumtaz Mahal was Emperor Shah Jahan's third wife. The construction of the Taj Mahal was completed in 22 years. The Taj Mahal is made of 28 types of precious and semi-precious stones. Total cost was about 32 million rupees estimated at that time. The Taj Mahal became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. Kashmir is the northernmost state of India, which is in the Himalayan mountain. It consists of Jammu, the Kashmir Valley and Ladakh. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital of Kashmir. The Kashmir Valley is famous for its beautiful mountains landscape. Kashmir is one of the top tourist destinations among the states of India. Ladakh is known as Little Tibet. It is renowned for its remote mountain beauty and Buddhist culture. Around 1 million tourists visit Kashmir every year. Houseboats are popular dwelling places for the people who are unable to buy land in the Kashmir Valley. Jammu's shrines attract millions of Hindu pilgrims every year. People of different religions like Muslims 67%, Hindus 30%, Sikh 2% and Buddhist 1.36%, etc. live in Kashmir. In Jammu and Kashmir, the principal spoken languages are Kashmiri, Urdu, Dogri, Pahari, Blati, Ladakhi, Gojra, Shaina and Pashto. Urdu is the official language of the state. Many speakers of these languages use Hindi or English as a second language. Ladakh in Kashmir has another name. What is that? What is the state language of Kashmir? Which religious group is the second majority of the total population of Kashmir? Name the two capitals of Kashmir. What is a houseboat?
Little Tibet, Urdu, Hindu, Srinagar and Jammu. A special kind of house on water is houseboats used by the poor people.
Which one of the following places would you like to visit? Why? Tell your friends. Red Fort or Lal Killa is more popularly known as a masterpiece of architecture. It is one of the most haunted spots for tourists from both India and abroad. Write a paragraph on the Red Fort using the information. India was a great friend to us during our liberation war. Mention two things that attract you about India. Why? Write and then share your writing with your friends.